What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tech Nerds, back with another video, and today we are going to be unboxing this Anker charger or charging station. And the reason why I bought another one is because the one that I had originally had, the one that I unboxed on this channel, it broke. Well, yeah, it just stopped working. It didn't charge any of my devices. Like, it was working for 2 days straight, and then it just stopped charging. So I bought this Anker charger, and I already recommend this to anybody who's looking for one because Anker is really good with Apple devices. So yeah, like, they're really good at it, as in they're really good compatible. So yeah, all right, let's just unbox this. So now, the reason why I didn't already go ahead and buy Anker before is because this was what? Yeah, $50. This was $50. So I mean, it's like the $14 one was sounding better, although clearly it didn't work better. So yeah, okay, really nice. It's white. So this Anker charger that I have, this is what it looks like. Here's the wireless charger for the iPhone, and then here's the charger for your Apple Watch. Now, you're gonna have to already have an Apple Watch charger, which is fine, because if you have an Apple Watch, then you have the charger. I mean, that's basics 101. So yeah, it does not have an AirPods charger, but if you do have the AirPods 2nd generation with the wireless charging case, then it will already charge your phone. I mean, not your phone, but your AirPods. But I don't have that. So yeah, but at least it charges my phone and my Apple Watch, and I could just use a separate cord for my AirPods. Plus, that's fine by me, because now that I think about it, I really don't even charge my AirPod case that much. Like, I may charge it once a month. Yeah. So, yeah. So, here are the instructions. Let's see. Okay, so we have to put in the Apple Watch charger. So, to put in the Apple Watch charger, basically you're gonna take this back off. So you see where it says open? Over here there's a little groove. So you're gonna point it to the right. No, that's my left. Yeah, the left side. Cause you're gonna point it in the direction of this arrow, and then this case should slide off, and then you could just pick it up and take it off. Okay, so let's put this right here. Let me see, because there's like a cord flow and a jack for your Apple Watch. So yeah, okay. So I have my Apple Watch charger. Oh, no, that's the wrong side. Right here. So let's get into it. So you just push down like this. Let's see, is that right? Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, just making sure. Alright, I got my Apple Watch in there now. So then we have to fit the cord through here. So you just push it through these little slots. So first you're gonna put it all around, like, let's see, yeah, like this. So you're gonna go all around here and then come back, and then you're gonna go into like this little intersection. That's what it looks like, and then this part will go right into here. Now I wonder, what is this? Maybe this is USB type C. I don't know. Okay guys, so I plugged it up, and so when you plug it up, a blue light will flash. This just turned blue. So yeah, So now that everything is connected and whatever, I'm gonna try to put my watch on it and see how well it charges. Oh, instantly, okay. So that's very cool. Now I'm gonna take my watch off and pop it up like this. And let's see. Very nice. Okay. Can you have it tilted too? Oh, you can. Okay. So that's very nice. I may keep mine flat. I don't know. And so this is for your phone to go. So yeah, I mean, I don't think I can. Wait, let me see. This. Okay, yeah, so the phone is charging. That's just my desk. I tried using the ultra wide camera, but my phone is charging while while I'm recording. So yeah, that's cool. And so this wireless charger, I highly recommend. Like if you're on a budget, it may be a tight budget because like I said, this is $50, but I know it's gonna work really well because Anker is a good it's like one of the best accessories department. No, how would I say this? Okay, so Anker is like a really good partner with Apple. Like Anker's accessories are the best with Apple. It's the best accessories for Apple devices. So yeah, I highly recommend this. I give it a 10 out of 10. Perfect. The hardest thing was probably just getting the Apple Watch cord in, but even then that was simple. So yeah, 10 out of 10. Do I wish they had an Apple AirPods charger? I mean, I know Anker probably does have one now. I just got this one because I like the design of this one. It really doesn't bother me because, like I said, I only charge this case maybe, I don't even know, maybe once a month when it dies. I don't know. So, yeah, plus, yeah, like I said, I barely charge this. So, no, it doesn't bother me, but if you have the second generation Apple case, you could just have this sitting right here. And when this light is blue and it's flashing, that means this is not compatible. So I wonder if I put my Apple Watch on here, will it work? Nope. No, it doesn't. But look at that. Nice and smooth. I like this a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna set it up on my nightstand. So yeah, you know what we're about to do now. We're about to do some B-roll. But anyways, before we do that, let me just say the link to this will be in the description below. I give this a 10 out of 10 because it's nice and simple and easy to use. And the hardest thing was, like I said, putting the Apple Watch charger in there, which again, at that point, that was really simple. So yeah, I highly recommend this, and the link to this will be in the description below.